Logome.ai is a powerful logo design tool, but before you jump into a subscription, there are a few things you should know. Stick with me as I break down 7 key points that will help you decide whether this software is the right fit for your business or brand. You can actually try Logome.ai completely free using the first link below, so let's dive in and see if this tool really lives up to the hype. First off, Logome.ai uses AI-driven technology to generate logos in a matter of seconds. Unlike traditional designers or other software that requires hours of tweaking and creativity, Logome.ai gives you an array of options with just a few clicks. However, while the speed is impressive, don't expect fully customizable logos like what you'd get from professional designers. This tool is perfect for those looking for a quick, easy, and cost-effective solution, but it might not deliver the depth of customization that other platforms like Adobe Illustrator can offer. Next thing to know, Logome.ai has a surprisingly wide selection of logo templates. It's easy to get started by entering your brand name, selecting a few preferences, and instantly having access to dozens of unique design options. The platform is designed for those who might not have a background in design, but still want something polished. But, and here's the catch, while the AI does its best to offer variety, these templates can feel a bit generic at times. For anyone looking for a completely unique, one-of-a-kind logo, Logome.ai might not be your first choice. The third thing you need to consider is the quality of the final output. Once you've selected a logo design, you can adjust the colors, font styles, and layout to make it more fitting to your brand. However, compared to competitors like Luca or Taylor brands, Logome.ai doesn't offer as many fine-tuning options. The editing tools are pretty intuitive, but if you're someone who needs precise control over every element, you might feel a bit restricted. Now, let's talk about pricing. Logome.ai offers a free version that lets you try out the software, but to unlock high-resolution files, vector formats, and full commercial rights, you'll need to pay for the premium version. If you're just looking to create a quick logo for a personal project, the free version might work just fine. However, if you're using it for a business or brand that requires scalability and quality, the cost of premium can add up quickly. Compared to other AI-driven logo tools, it's competitive, but keep an eye on the costs for the long term. The fifth point to mention is the ease of use. Logome.ai is one of the easiest tools out there for non-designers to create logos quickly. With its simple interface and intuitive navigation, anyone can pick it up without prior design knowledge. The design process feels streamlined and beginner-friendly, which is a massive plus if you don't want to spend hours learning how to use complicated software like Photoshop. But remember, this ease of use might also mean that you don't get the same level of sophistication you'd get from other, more professional options. Next, let's discuss the customer support. Logome.ai does offer customer support, but it's a bit limited compared to other platforms. They offer email support, but if you're looking for live chat or phone assistance, you might be left waiting. If you run into any issues with your designs or need help understanding how to use certain features, the lack of immediate support could be frustrating. The seventh and final thing you need to know is the impact on your brand's image. Since Logome.ai is AI-powered, it's great for quick designs, but there's a risk that your logo might end up looking like something generated for another user. If you're aiming for a truly unique, memorable brand identity, it might be worth investing in custom design work. Logome.ai is great for startups or individuals who need a basic logo fast, but it might not be the best for building a brand that stands out long term. So now you've got the full picture on Logome.ai, but here's the kicker. If you're interested in trying out Logome.ai for yourself, you can access a completely free trial through the first link in the description. This is a great chance to test it out, experience the features firsthand, and see if it meets your design needs. Plus, using that link will get you some exclusive benefits. If you want to give Logome.ai a go and see how it compares to other logo design platforms, make sure to click the first link below for the best free trial and some added perks. Happy designing!